Welcome back to our channel. Myself Dr. Sharanya. Today I am going to explain you about how we make hairline designing and what are the steps we follow. So first of all, coming to hairline designing, it is very important before going to hair transplantation. Natural and satisfactory to our patient. It adds a more volume to hair and also give promising look that head has head full of hair. So and bad hairline which gives unsatisfactory, unnatural look, and also patient has very low density uh, results. So to achieve this, we follow few steps like we consider facial aesthetics of our patients, and we also consider race and cultural backgrounds of the patients, and we give hairline according to all these conditions. And we also consider age of the patient. By increasing the age, hairline also recedes back naturally. So considering this, we give perfect hairline before going to hair transplantation, which looks natural and satisfactory to our patients. So now coming to balancing of proportions of the face, we adjust the proportions like front and corners of the face according to the hairline, and we give perfect hair designing according to the face of the patient. And we add micro irregularities so that it looks natural, and look wise it look giving high density to our patients. And then coming to balancing, and we give priority and budgeting the hair on required areas so that it looks higher density on required areas. And likewise we design hairline before going to hair transplantation. So let me explain you how we position hairline. We generally follow rule of third method. That means generally face has three sections. One is from midline to the a place between two eyebrows, and coming to second section, between the eyebrows to tip of the nose is another section, and third section is between tip of the nose to below the chin is one section. So we consider all these three sections and give perfect hairline according to these sections. And also we follow 7 to 10 centimeter rule, which is to confirm the hairline. That means generally mid position of the hairline to the space between the eyebrows is about 4 finger breadth. We count according to this rule and we give perfect hairline to our patients. Coming to curve of forehead rule. In this rule, generally patient has two curves, horizontal and vertical curves. Meeting these two planes gives you perfect hairline. So we follow this rule to get perfect hairline before going to hair transplantation. Finally, hairline designs has two shapes, round shape and bell shape. Round curve shape is mostly suitable to patient who has wide heads, so that they need wide arch in frontal aspects, whereas bell curve is most suitable to patient who has narrow heads, so that they has natural temporal receding. So I hope this information give you idea about hairline designing and its importance to have a perfect hair transplantation. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on next video.